Hey guys, do my nails with me. So I'm starting off by applying these tips, which are available on my website. They're the extra long square no secret tips. And then I will be using Shy, which is also available on my website. And I'm going to be applying this onto the entire nail. And the acrylic brush I'm using is from Amazon, and it's only like $17, and it's really nice quality. I will have it on my Amazon storefront. So these are my nails after application. Now I am going to file my nails and make them nice and crisp. I'm going to top coat my nails with this shiny top coat, and then I'm going to cure that. Now I'm going to be painting on some little flowers, and the gel polishes that I'm using are from Beetles. I'm going to be pouring some clear acrylic on top of the wet gel polish to get that like raised 3D effect. I cure that, then I apply some bling, and this is the final look.